It's still raining today, and you can probably hear the thunder in the background. We've been getting lots of rain. My backyard has a buildup of water there. And as you see, we've had some hail even. It's supposed to last throughout the day. Our area is actually under a drought 2 stage, and so I'm glad we're getting the rain. I just want to make sure everyone's safe. Just saw a little bit of lightning there. You can hear the booming thunder. Okay, I'll continue to monitor the weather and praying everyone's safe. Please like and subscribe, and check back again soon.